Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Barbara and I'm a US-based Cameroonian YouTuber, and if you're an oldie, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the OmabelleTV banana hair mask. Yes, Omabelle is a Nigerian YouTuber, a mom of two, currently pregnant with her third child. She's also a twin mom like me. So I recently saw this video on her channel that she did like a banana hair mask on her daughters, and it was amazing. Her daughters have beautiful and healthy hair, and they still have their baby hair. Baby hair meaning that they haven't shaved their hair since birth. My daughters do have their baby hair, but it's not as healthy as I want it to be. So I'm gonna be trying this hair mask for the first time. So let's do this. What you need for this hair mask is some bananas. You need of course you need some extra virgin hair oil, extra virgin olive oil, and you also need some mayonnaise. So let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is have all these three ingredients, and you need a measuring spoon, and you also need a blender because you're going to be blending all these items. So guys, I'm going to be using like 2 whole bananas. You want your bananas ripe but not overripe. So I'm going to just peel my bananas, chop them up, and put it in the blender. And I'm going to be using like 3 tablespoons of extra virgin oil, and I'm going to be using about 4 spoons of mayonnaise, and I'm going to blend it all together. You want this thing to be really smooth. That way you don't leave like any hair flakes or banana particles on your hair, because it's gonna look really gross. You just don't want to do that. Exactly what she said in her video, so I'm repeating the same thing, guys. You know, that's when people inspire you and you recreate it. So let's jump straight into it, and you guys are just gonna see how I do it, and hope this video will get to inspire you to use this on your hair or maybe your kids' hair. It really works. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and thumbs up the video if you find it helpful, and make sure you check out my other videos if you're new to the channel. I really do appreciate you guys all so very much. Y'all kept me going, and I really do appreciate you guys, and hope you guys have been loving the contents I've been putting out. So on that note, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Adios.
I am doing it my way, do it your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
So now that we have the mask already, I'm going to apply it directly to her hair. I recently took out a hairdo, so it's kind of sectioned, which is easy for me to apply the hair. It has this slimy feeling, which is easy to comb. And you want your consistency to be thick, not very liquidy, because you want it thick on the hair. You want it to hold. So that's exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm just applying it. As you can see, I'm using a detangler brush, which is easy to brush through. Don't mind this girl. She's a little chakara.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So guys, we are almost done applying the hair mats on the hair. As you can see, the hair is already looking so shiny. So I'm just going to go ahead and mention some of the benefits that these 3 ingredients really have on your hair. First, I'm going to start with mayonnaise. Mayonnaise helps with hair growth, and it also helps to remove hair lice from your hair. It helps with straightening, and it also helps to define your curls. And it also treats dandruff. It helps also to calm your frizzy hair. Ain't that amazing? We're going to move over to olive oil right now. Olive oil also helps to combat dandruff, and it also helps to tame frizziness. That's something a lot of people face. So another benefit that the olive oil do have on our hair, especially the 4C type hair, is that it helps to soften your hair, which is a great deal for me, because combing my daughter's hair, especially using a comb on a dry hair, even though sometimes you apply the water, but yeah, it's just super soft when you apply the olive oil. So I'm done. I'm just gonna put the cap on it just to keep the heat on for like 40 minutes. I did this for like 40 minutes, but the last 10 minutes they kind of took off the stuff and started playing with your hair, which you're gonna see in a later clip.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Continue.
The what?
Just
Love me, love me, love
continue.
Good job. Okay, now you sit down. Let your sister do your own hair. Good job. Okay, sit down. Sit. Let your sister. It's your turn. Okay, let's go wash it. Come on, let's go.
Some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Guys, can y'all tell how rich this hair is looking already? It's looking so rich and silky and also very, very soft. I guess you guys cannot even just tell from looking at it, but me touching it, look at it's so soft and look amazing. So I'm gonna be sticking to this banana hair mask. You should try it, give it a try at home. I'm not gonna be buying any mask from the store anytime soon. I'm gonna be doing it myself, and I'm also gonna try to venture into different other masks. So yes, it worked out amazing.
Sometimes you wonder, how we survive, I mean, it no be easy, Them say we no go make a me, Anything where you dey do, make you dey do one well, Everybody go talk at me, Nobody go help me, So make you know hear them, make you know mind them. Just do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. Oh yeah, make una listen. Whether